We're about here with the bees again today. Then I'm going to put some sugar patties in, which is a mixture of Crisco and sugar, 1-to-1. My buddy that helps me with these says it helps with the varroa mites and stuff like that. So we're going to open this one up. I know, still not good at holding the camera one-handed. This is the weak hive. From what it looks like, we're just going to take the middle one out because it looks like they've done nothing. I found my good hive tool, so that's a plus anyway. Right where it was got left, but that's my fault. So anyway, nothing there. I mean, they're walking on it. That's about it. So we'll take this off and we'll look inside the bottom one, just see what we can see. And then we'll put the patties on and walk away. And then we'll go to the main one. So I'm gonna pick this up, set this off, and then we're gonna come over here and smoke them a little bit. Piss them off. This hive here looks like there may be a little bit on this hive here, on this frame here. But that's it. Don't really like there's been much put on the outside of it. So there's a bug of some sort. Need to kill that. Probably a varroa mites. My luck. This year I haven't had luck with much of anything. But anyway, we got a little bit of honeycomb there. Not much that bug here. I don't know what that is, but that's not good. Yeah. So anyway, I'll see if I can find the queen real fast. So this hive here is probably too little too late, I guess. Let's see. I hope not. Hope we can come back next spring and be better. A lot of open brood there, open honeycomb. Well, I ain't got nothing stored for the winter, no, nothing. I may have lost my queen. I don't know. So we'll set this one right back down in here. It's been a couple weeks with the weather and stuff. It's been a couple weeks since I've checked them. It's my fault. So we'll look at this one. No. They're pretty calm. So, this is good for me, I guess. But, there's lots of bees. There's a little bit of brood there, not much. But no honeycomb, no honey preserved. I did not see the bee, the queen there. Bunch of little bitty bees. Yeah. So we'll put this back. I mean, they're still flying around good. Smoke them up again. More smoke. Okay, so now we're on the third one. So we'll pop it. Push these bees down. Don't squish them. Like that. Let me hook the hook in here. And pick it up. I don't see the queen. Looks like there's a little bit of brood there, maybe. I still don't see the queen. Which ain't good. Okay, put this back down here and go to the next one. Yeah, like I said, the queen, I may have lost my queen. That happens. Happens a lot sometimes, it seems like, I guess. These bees are feisty. I gotta stand up for a minute. My back is killing me. I'm leaning over. Still no queen. I see a little bit of brood in there though. But not much. I mean, I'm afraid I've lost my queen. because there's nothing. So just want to pop this one up real fast. And just see. This hive here, I try to find a way to get through the winter or it'll die out. There's the queen right there, she is. Makes me feel a little bit better. But the husband ain't doing her work. Got a little bit of comb on that one there. So, get the bees away from me. Okay, so my buddy's been helping me. Says to put one between the boxes. So we put one here. This one's back up here. I probably have to make these all winter long for these suckers. Okay. Then he says to put another one on top of this. Gives them something to eat on. We are pretty much over the honey flow season. And so this hive ain't looking too good. So now I'm going to take a break. Then I'll get the other box tore down a little bit. Then I'll start up again.